Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I've got something huge to share that's going to change how you create videos. We're talking about videoexpress.ai, the ultimate tool for turning your text into stunning professional-grade videos. In just minutes. Seriously, videoexpress.ai is packed with incredible features. You can effortlessly transform text into captivating visual stories, add super realistic sound effects, and even personalize your content with amazing AI-generated characters. Plus, their powerful timeline editor lets you merge clips into longer videos, up to 5 minutes. But what I absolutely love most is how user-friendly it is. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll be creating high-quality videos without needing any extensive editing skills. The AI does all the heavy lifting, freeing you up to focus purely on your creative vision. Now for the best part. And you need to listen up because this is a limited-time verified offer. Right now, you can grab videoexpress.ai with a special 10% discount. The link and the coupon code are both in the description below. Seriously, jump on this. You'll thank me later. Thanks for watching, hit that like button, and I'll catch you in the next one.